You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, medical terms too, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn and listen to, pronounced as Snellen. Generally refers to the Snellen chart for visual acuity. Snellen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.